If you've entered a credit from a vendor in QuickBooks Online, how do you actually find that vendor credit in QuickBooks? Well, you can see them a few different ways. This first way, if you know what vendor you have credit with, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, then you can hover over Expenses on the left menu bar and then click on Vendors. And then you can either search for that vendor here with the search bar, or you can scroll down and find the vendor that way. We're going to scroll down here, and as you can see here, Cal Telephone has a negative balance of $20. So if we click on this vendor here to open it up, we're going to see that we don't have any open bills with this vendor, and we have a vendor credit here of $20 that we can apply to a future bill. If you're relatively new to QuickBooks Online and trying to learn the ins and outs of the software, I've recorded a QuickBooks Online crash course for busy business owners like yourself. Your time is valuable, so I've created this concise QuickBooks in 30 minutes crash course where I guide you through the essentials of QuickBooks Online. I cover everything from choosing the correct QuickBooks account for your business needs, syncing your bank and credit card accounts, invoicing customers, entering bills, categorizing transactions, generating financial reports, and so much more, all within 30 minutes. If you're ready to streamline your bookkeeping and get back to running your business with confidence, then check out the link to this free crash course in the description of this video. Now, if we go back to vendors, we know that we also have a vendor credit with Norton Lumber and Building Materials. So if we scroll down here to find that vendor, we'll see that this vendor still has an amount showing owed here on this screen. So if we click on this vendor to open it up, we'll see that we have an unpaid bill of $205 and we have a vendor credit here of $50. So our amount showing open for this vendor is $155. Now the next way that you can see vendor credits is to go up here to the top left corner and click on the plus new icon and choose Pay Bills. This shows here bills that you have entered in QuickBooks, and over here you'll see the column that says Credit Applied. Now most of these show not available, but as you can see, the vendor that we just had open, Norton Lumber and Building Materials, has a field here. If we click on this field, you can see that underneath here, it now shows the amount that is available to apply to this vendor's bill. And the third way that we're going to cover is if you want to see all of your vendor credits in one place, we can again go up here to the top left corner and click on Plus New. And then this time we'll click on Vendor Credit. And then we're going to click on the top left here, and this will show you the most recent ones that you've created, and we're going to click on View More. In the transaction type drop down here, we're going to choose Bill Credit, and now this shows us our vendor credits all in one place. Now, if you want to see how to apply a credit from a vendor in QuickBooks Online, then check out this next video, and I'll show you how to do exactly that.